Aibowan, welcome to Eash Kitchen. Hope you guys had a great week. Today we're going to make a spicy beef fried rice. I hope you will enjoy this cooking program. Just follow my video properly and enjoy the cooking. Okay, let's check the ingredients. Beef, garlic, kangkung, red chili, pepper, salt, sugar, oyster sauce, soya sauce, fish sauce and oil. And always salt to taste. And there will be a few stages on this video. 4 stages. Please follow my video properly and enjoy the cooking. Okay, let's marinate the beef. The stage 1, little bit black pepper and soya sauce. It's good tender beef. Let's marinate and keep for 30 minutes. Okay, let's make the chili paste. Chili with garlic. I have taken 4 chilies with 4 garlics. And little bit salt. Make a nice moisture garlic chili paste. Okay, let's check the paste. Wow, spicy dynamite garlic with chili. Don't worry, it's not got spicy. For sure you can, when you add the sauce, it will be more tasty than the chili. Okay, let's make the sauce with the oyster sauce little bit. Soya sauce. Don't worry about the quantity. Be free. A little bit fish sauce and sugar. Let's mix well. Okay, you can see the ingredients, very simple. Rice, onion, the chili paste what we made, beef and the sauce. Okay, let's make the spicy beef fried rice. Okay, let's add the oil, or 3 or 4 tablespoons. Okay, let's add the chili. And also same time the onions. And add the beef. Just spread little bit and fry well. A little bit cough because of the spiciness. And you have to mix well. You can see the color a little bit changing. Okay, let's add the rice. And add the sauce. And we'll mix it. Now we'll add the kangkung. Okay, let's toss the rice. We are cooking on the heavy rainy day. Y'all can see from the video. Okay, the spicy beef fried rice ready to eat. Let's platter the fried rice. Yummy, flavored beef fried rice. So friends, the amazing spicy beef fried rice. I hope you enjoy my cooking program. Please follow me on Instagram and subscribe me on YouTube. And have a great day.